afternoon to all of you. I am Priya, teacher of DRM Public School. Today, we are organizing a inter-house English speech competition in our school. Students from all houses are participating in this competition. They are going to give their best views about our surroundings. So, listen carefully and adopt these views in our own life. Now, I would like to invite Shubham from Greenhouse, and her topic is terrorism in Pakistan.
A very good afternoon to everyone. Now I am going to present a speech on terrorism in Pakistan. Terrorism in Pakistan is a major and highly destructive phenomenon in recent few years. The annual death toll from terrorist attacks have risen from 164 in 2003 to 3,318 in 2009, with a total of 35,000 Pakistanis were killed between the 11th September 2001 and May 2011. According to the government of Pakistan, the direct and indirect economic cost of terrorism from 2000 to 2010 is rupees 68 billion. President Asif Ali Zardari, along with former President ex-Pakistan Army head Pervez Musharraf, had admitted that terrorist outfits were deliberately created and nurtured by past government as a policy to achieve some short-term practical objectives and increase the availability of guns such as AK-47 and drugs from the foreign Christian. Pakistan is the 10th most dangerous country by the criminal index. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, I would like to invite Anshul from Greenhouse, and her topic is Indian Army.
A very sweet, great good afternoon to all of you. Thanks for being here with me today. Let's start my speech on Indian Army by applauding for Indian Army. Indian Army needs no introduction. We all have love, respect and admiration for Indian Army. Indian Army have a long and glorious history. Therefore, it is not possible to speak everything about Indian Army in such a limited time. So, Indian Army works for us every time. Whenever I think about Indian Army, I also wanted to become an Indian Army officer. My aim is to become an Indian Army officer, and my aim makes me happy. A common person can have a very little knowledge about Indian officer because information are classified in their certification in people dominance. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I would like to invite Tushar from Blue House, and his topic is nature.
Respected Principal Ma'am, and other teachers, and my dear friends, good afternoon to all of you. I am Tushar from 7th standard in DRM Public School. I am here to present a speech of nature. Warm greeting to one and all. I heartily welcome everybody to our society meeting room. All of us as you all know that this meeting is weekly or organized to discuss various issues concerning our society and to man to those issues to keep in mind and best interest to all members of our society. Causes of protecting the nature despite the stressing the fact that the how nature the plays a crucial role in building a healthy environment and giving us a balanced and spirit